Here I have OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock apps with fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly you will have to add your fingerprint, of course. If you have no idea how you can add fingerprint, you can watch a video tutorial about it on our channel, so go check it out, add fingerprint, then go back here. And now, after you added fingerprint, you go to the fingerprint, then go to the use fingerprint for app lock. Then you have to turn on privacy password before changing the setting. Here you have to set up your privacy password. You can just stay with this 6-digit pin. You can use different password type like pattern, 4-digit pin. These ones, I'll just use this 4-digit one. And you have to enter your password, verify it, then answer a security question like what is the name of one of your teachers. And now, after this you enabled this feature, go to the back to the settings, then go to the privacy section, app lock, verify yourself with your fingerprint, and now you can lock apps. Let's lock, for example, Chrome and maybe Gallery. And as you can see right now, I can't access Google Chrome without my fingerprint or password. Until you lock your device, Google Chrome will be unlocked. And after you lock your device, unlock it, Google Chrome will be locked too. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.